Malaga, Spain, November 13, 2024. Severe thunderstorm and torrential rain have once again battered coastal Spain, causing thousands of people to be evacuated just 2 weeks after the country experienced massive flooding in Valencia and other nearby communities. Almost 3,000 people and 1,000 homes have been evacuated in the Malaga area, the director of emergency plan for the risk of flooding in Andalucia said Wednesday. Chaos in the town of Benamargosa in the Axarquía regions of Malaga, where the river has overflowed and is causing the first flood. The town council of this town, with only 1,558 inhabitants, has issued an alert via social media reporting that the Solano Dam has overflowed and is a danger. For this reason, residents are advised to stay in their homes and those living in the flood-risk areas to go up to upper floors. Video from the scene shows streets in Malaga submerged in water. The Malaga City Council issued evacuations order Wednesday near the Campinos River due to the risk of overflowing. Shortly before the river overflowed, the Ministry of the Presidency and the Interior already recognized that the most worrying situation was in Benamargosa, with the situations of the riverbed and the situations of the houses that are close to the riverbed. The mayor of the town explained that after the river overflowed, houses were flooded, although he stressed that it had stopped raining in the area and the water has receding but very slowly.
Familia, madre mía, la Virgen Santa Puta. Mira cómo está el río Málaga. El río Málaga está...
The mayor has pointed out that they have been warning residents for 3 days to take preventive measures and especially not to approach the Cuarto Caminos area or the bridge over the river, the area where the flood finally occurred. The emergency services have already sent the competent authorities to ensure that no one gets into any danger or goes out to try to save what they can. The mayor said that the situation is complicated and explained that this is not only due to the rainfall, but also to the existence of 2 dams at the head of the Benamargosa River that feed the Vinuela Reservoir, and that both have overflowed, dragging the excess water to the town. The image posted on Facebook show how the water has overflowed the bridge that crossed the river and has begun to enter the streets. The mayor says that he has never seen a similar situation and has assured that he will not stay calm until the downpour passes. Faced with the possibility of the river overflowing, some residents had previously opted to move to relatives' houses located in a higher part of the municipality, he said. According to data from the Hydrozo network, dependent on the Junta de Andalucia, 108 liters per square meter were recorded in the Benamargosa River on Wednesday, on a day when most of the province of Malaga is on red alert for heavy rain. The State Meteorological Agency (IMET) has activated this Wednesday the orange warning for storms in the Malaga regions of Sol and Guadalhorce and Axarquía. It has also raised the alert to red for extreme risk due to the accumulated rainfall in 1 hour, which can reach up to 70 liters per square meter. In this regard, the director of the IMET Meteorological Center in Malaga says that nearly 80 liters per square meter have been recorded at the agency stations in the capital of Malaga, although he has clarified that the warning applies to the entire regions until the end of the day. It should be noted that the IMET has kept these regions under the red alert since this morning due to the persistent rain. Given the possibility that the Dana that is hitting the province could discharge up to 120 liters per square meter in 12 hours. In this regard, the emergency phase for the plan for flood risk in Andalucia has been active since late yesterday afternoon. According to the website of the public agency, in the province of Malaga, the red warning for rains is in effect until midnight in the regions of Sol and Guadalhorce and Axarquía, with an accumulation of 120 liters per square meter in 12 hours. In addition, IMET has activated the orange warning for storms in both areas throughout the day. Five areas near the Guadalhorce riverbank were preemptively evacuated due to the risk of overflowing. In just 1 hour, nearly a month's worth of rainfall inundated Malaga city in Spain's Andalucia regions, according to the country's meteorological agency IMET. The southern Spanish province picked up roughly 100 millimeters of rain so far on Wednesday, 78 millimeters of which fell within an hour. The Spanish Meteorological Agency has issued red warnings in the Andalusia and Catalonia regions for extreme rainfall with reports of impassable roads and flooded pavement in several towns.